Welcome to Vegan Ultra. I'm your inspiration guide, Adam Gals, on this epic quest for health, hope, and happiness, in which I lose 150 pounds in 12 months on a whole food vegan diet while walking 3,000 miles to prove to myself, my family, and everyone watching on YouTube that we can all become the ultra versions of ourselves if we give it a chance and are powered by plants. This is, of course, a new year and Veganuary. So I want to share with you several resources for anyone trying to consider attempting a whole food vegan diet. First, of course, is Veganuary, a 31-day challenge from this site here. This is a organization that has been doing this for nearly a decade. Last year, over 700,000 people around the world attempted to a vegan lifestyle for 1 month. And of course, you have recipes, eating guides, everything you need. But I understand that some people, this sounds too difficult. That's why, of course, we also have a 21-day Kickstart, free, an entire app from the Physicians Committee for Responsible Medicine with 3 weeks of meal plans set up by 2 registered dietitians. Again, this is free and an entire app to make things very easy. Now, here is one that is not free, but this Rochester Lifestyle Medicine Institute, the reason I'm pointing this out, this is a 2-week Kickstart and they actually turned this into a study with 376 people. Well, let's take a look at the results. This is 2 weeks on a whole food vegan diet. Average weight loss, 6 pounds, with systolic blood pressure falling by 7 points, and for the people with the hypertension falling by between 15 and 23 points. For diastolic pressure, between 3, but as much as 6 to 12 for those with the highest hypertension. Cholesterol falling on average 26 points in just 2 weeks. And for those with the highest cholesterol, 64 points. In terms of LDL, the bad cholesterol that is most correlated with heart disease and death, 19-point decline, nearly 50 points for those with the highest levels. And changes in blood sugar, 5-point decrease in blood glucose, and for those who are raging diabetics, an average of nearly 50 points. So for those wondering, what kind of benefits can you get in a short amount of time? The answer is quite significant in just 2 weeks. And of course, the actual effects happen much quicker than just 2 weeks. You can find benefits within days. In terms of constipation, you become more regular, your blood sugar starts to normalize, your cholesterol and blood pressure begins to fall in just the first week. And the reason I point this out is there are 1 week Kickstarts, entire meal plans put together, absolutely free, designed for between 1,200 and 2,000 calories, and they will literally walk you through everything by the day, exactly entire meals for an entire week. So there you have it. For anybody looking to try a Blue Zone vegan lifestyle, now is the perfect time, whether you want to try it for a week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, an entire month, or even just 1 day a week. Remember, the science-based magic and nutrition-fueled sorcery of a plant-based diet is not all or nothing. Any amount of increase, in fact, studies will show, and I'll go through this in upcoming Food Friday videos, how even something as much as half an apple a day can have significant improvements to your health, even save your life. That truly is the magic of a plant-based diet, the way nature intended for all of us to live. So thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to this channel, like this video to help other people find it on YouTube, and consider trying, whether it's a day, a week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, or a month. Just give it a chance, be powered by plants, and see what kind of transformation can happen for your life.